In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lucidchart and Google Docs. If you've been looking for a way to seamlessly incorporate your Lucidchart diagrams into your Google Docs, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through the process step by step, making it easy to keep your documentation and visualizations aligned, which can be incredibly helpful for presentations, project planning, and more. First, you'll need to log into Lucidchart. If you're not already logged in, head over to lucidchart.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, it'll be time to navigate to the document you want to work with. Open your Lucidchart document from the dashboard and make sure it's the one you wish to integrate with Google Docs. Now over on the right-hand side, find and click on the Integrations tab. This tab is where the magic happens for connecting your Lucidchart drawings to other platforms. Next, you'll want to look for Google Docs. Use the search bar at the top of the Integrations tab to locate Google Docs quickly. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on Google Docs. This will open a new option for you to manage your connections. The Manage Connections button is your gateway to enabling Lucidchart within Google Docs. Next up, you'll see an option that says Connect to Lucidchart. Give that a click. This is the step that starts the linking process between your Lucidchart account and Google Docs. Once you've initiated this, you'll be prompted to click on Install. Don't worry, this just means you're installing the integration, not the whole Lucidchart software all over again. After you hit Install, you'll see a prompt to choose your Google account. Go ahead and select the Google account associated with your Google Docs. Following that, you'll click on Continue, which might seem like an extra step, but it's just confirming that you want to proceed with the integration. Now you'll need to give the necessary permissions by clicking on Allow. This step is crucial as it ensures that Lucidchart has the access it needs to integrate seamlessly with your Google Docs. Finally, once everything is set up, you'll see a screen that lets you know the process is complete. Click on Done and you're good to go. You can now insert your Lucidchart diagrams directly into Google Docs, making them available for viewing, sharing, and editing. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, Lucidchart is now integrated with your Google Docs, streamlining your workflow and allowing you to bring your visuals to life in your documents. Enjoy the enhanced productivity and organization that comes with keeping your diagrams and text unified.